heart is too much to bear, when you gasp for air, when you cry out to the one who went away, who left you to face the day alone. I listen to your darkness, your anger, your screams, your memories and dreams. Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Teardrops running down a window pane, moments passing in what time remains, as I stare into the mist and listen to the rain. When the heartache feels like it will never end, when all your friends who care for you still can't pull you back from embracing one final act alone. I listen to your darkness, the fates held in your hands. I'll just try to understand.